Hello guys, today I do have the iPhone 17 Pro and I'm going to tell you how to record the 4K 120 FPS video. The first thing you have to do is open the camera application. Now once here, open the video, and now here in the top left corner you see HD 60 FPS. Let me just quickly decrease the brightness level, and now tap it, and here as you can see we have resolution HD, select 4K and just tap 120. Now you can tap record, and now your video will be in the 120 FPS 4K resolution. If you don't see this, you need to open the settings. Here you need to scroll down to the camera, and now once here you need to tap on formats. Here enable ProRAW resolution control. It's based it's actually for the photos, but sometimes bugs and disables the possibility to change the resolution on the video. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.